Unlock the secret to perfectly cooked Costco shrimp every time, transforming your weeknight dinners into a seafood delight. Costco offers a fantastic variety of shrimp, from raw and shellin for ultimate freshness to pre-cooked and peeled for ultimate convenience today. We'll cover the most common types and how to prepare them flawlessly, whether you're grilling, Sautéed copywriting, or adding them to your favorite recipe. Let's start with the stars raw. Shell-in shrimp, always rinse them thoroughly under cool water. Shell, and all this removes any residual ice crystals and debris. Next, it's time to peel and devein to peel. Find the seam on the underside of the shrimp, near the head, and gently pull back the shell for deveining. You can simply make a shallow cut along the back of the shrimp with a small knife or skewer to expose and remove the dark vein. For grilling, thread your prepared shrimp onto skewers, drizzle with your favorite marinade, or a simple blend of olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Grill over medium-high heat for about 23 minutes per side, until they turn pink and opaque. For a speedy Sautéed copyright, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, add minced garlic and cook for about 30 seconds, until fragrant. Toss in your raw, peeled, and deveined shrimp. Cook for 23 minutes per side, stirring occasionally, until they are pink, opaque, and perfectly tender. Don't overcrowd the pan. Cook in batches if necessary to ensure even cooking. Now for the pre-cooked, peeled, and deveined shrimp. These are your shortcut to flavor. You can simply thaw them under cool running water or in the refrigerator. They are already cooked. So the goal is to warm them through and infuse them with flavor without overcooking them into rubbery disappointment. Add them to the end of your cooking process in dishes like pasta, stir-fries, or salads. A gentle toss in a warm sauce or a quick Sautéed copyright in a hot pan for just a minute or two is all they need. With these simple steps, you'll be enjoying delicious, perfectly cooked Costco shrimp every time, enhancing all your seafood creations.